Here are 10 random and interesting facts you might didn't know. Number 1. One of the shortest wars in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes. It occurred between the British Empire and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896, and ended swiftly with Zanzibar surrendering. Around 600 people died within that hour. Number 2. The town of Boring in Oregon, USA, has an official sister city called Dull in Scotland. The two communities established a partnership in 2012 to celebrate their uniquely unexciting namesakes and promote tourism between the locations. Number 3. The shortest reigning monarch in history was King Louis XIX of France, who reigned for just 20 minutes. He became the king in July 1830 but abdicated the throne in favor of his nephew shortly after, resulting in his incredibly brief reign. Number 4. Dolphins have been observed using tools, such as sponges, to protect their noses while foraging on the ocean floor. They demonstrate a remarkable level of intelligence and adaptability, showcasing their ability to employ tools for practical purposes. Number 5. The country of Monaco is smaller than Central Park in New York City. Despite its small size, Monaco is known for its luxurious lifestyle and is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Number 6. The city of Istanbul, Turkey, is the only city in the world that straddles two continents, Europe and Asia. It is separated by the Bosporus Strait, with the western side of Istanbul located in Europe and the eastern side in Asia, making it a unique and geographically significant metropolis. Number 7. The shortest war in American history was the Toledo War, which lasted only a few months from 1835 to 1836. The dispute between the states of Ohio and Michigan arose due to conflicting territorial claims, but the conflict was ultimately resolved diplomatically without any major battles. Only one person was wounded. Number 8. The country of Maldives is the lowest lying nation on Earth, with an average ground level elevation of just 1.5 meters above sea level. This makes the Maldives particularly vulnerable to rising sea levels and the effects of climate change, which poses significant challenges for the nation's sustainability and survival. Number 9. Honey never spoils and has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Due to its low moisture content and natural antimicrobial properties, honey has an indefinite shelf life and can remain edible for thousands of years under the right conditions. Number 10. The Colosseum in Rome, Italy, used to have a retractable roof made of canvas to protect spectators from the sun and rain. This impressive feat of engineering allowed for a more comfortable and enjoyable experience during the gladiatorial games and other events held in the amphitheater. And that would be all for today's video. How many facts did you know? Consider subscribing if you don't want to miss more videos like this one.